Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Have you ever noticed a safety sign that was faded, blocked or difficult to understand? It might seem like a small issue, but in an emergency, an unclear or missing sign can lead to confusion, accidents and even serious injuries. That is why safety signage audits are so important. They help organizations ensure that safety signs are visible, accurate and effective. So if you want to improve workplace safety, let's explore how to conduct a safety signage audit step by step. Now start by seeing the workplace through fresh eyes. The first step in a safety signage audit is to walk through the workplace as if you are visiting it for the first time. Now look around carefully and ask yourself whether hazards, emergency exits, fire equipment and safety instructions are clearly marked. A fresh perspective often helps identify missing signs or areas where safety information is not immediately visible. This walkthrough creates the foundation for the entire audit. Next, check whether hazards are properly marked. Once you have reviewed the workplace layout, focus on hazardous areas. Every significant risk should have appropriate warning signs to alert employees and visitors. Whether it is high voltage equipment, moving machinery, hazardous chemicals or slippery surfaces. People need clear warnings before they encounter the danger. If a hazard exists without proper signage, it creates unnecessary risk and should be addressed immediately. Then make sure signs are easy to see. Even the best safety sign won't help if nobody notices it. That is why visibility is one of the most important parts of the audit. Check whether signs are placed at the correct height and whether they can be seen from a safe distance. Now look for anything blocking the signs, such as equipment, storage materials or poor lighting. Remember, safety signs should catch attention before someone reaches a hazardous area. Now don't forget to inspect the condition of the signs. After checking visibility, examine the physical condition of every sign. Over time, signs can become faded, dirty, damaged or difficult to read. A worn-out warning sign may no longer communicate its message effectively. During the audit, make sure symbols, colors and text remain clear and recognizable. Any damaged sign should be repaired or replaced to maintain effective communication. Now ensure compliance with safety standards. Now it's time to verify whether the signage follows recognized safety standards such as ISO 7010 or applicable local regulations. Standardized signs help create consistency and make safety information easier to understand for employees, contractors and visitors. When signs follow approved standards, organizations can improve both compliance and workplace safety. Now place special attention to emergency signs. Emergency signs deserve extra attention because they become critical during stressful situations. Check that emergency exits, assembly points, first aid stations, eye wash stations and fire equipment locations are clearly identified and easy to find. Ask yourself a simple question. If an emergency happened right now, would people know exactly where to go? If the answer is no, improvements are needed. Then review mandatory safety instructions. Many workplace injuries occur because people fail to use the required protective equipment. That is why mandatory signs play such an important role. During the audit, ensure that signs requiring helmets, gloves, eye protection, hearing protection or other PPE are clearly displayed wherever necessary. These signs help reinforce safe behavior every day. Now listen to the people who use the signs. A signage audit should not rely only on observation. Employees interact with safety signs every day and can provide valuable feedback. Now ask them if they understand the signs, if they have noticed missing signage, or if there are areas where additional signs would improve safety. Often employees identify practical issues that may otherwise go unnoticed. Now turn findings into action. After completing the inspection, document all findings carefully. Record missing signs, damaged signs, visibility problems, and compliance issues. Then create an action plan to address these gaps. The goal of an audit is not just to identify problems, it is to solve them. Taking corrective action quickly helps prevent future incidents and strengthens workplace safety. Now, the real value of a safety signage audit. Workplaces are constantly changing. New equipment is added, layouts are modified, and risks evolve over time. That is why safety signage should never be a set it and forget it task. Regular audits ensure that signs remain accurate, visible, and effective. More importantly, they help organizations prevent accidents before they happen and create a safer environment for everyone. A safety sign may seem like a simple piece of information on a wall, but it can play a vital role in protecting lives. Conducting regular safety signage audits ensures that these signs continue to do their job when people need them most. Remember, a sign can only keep people safe if it is visible, understandable, and in the right place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more workplace safety and ISO 7010 content. Stay safe, stay aware, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.